Prompt Engineering Training Session 60. Prompt leaking. Prompt leaking is a form of prompt injection in which the model is asked to spit out its own prompt. As shown in the example image below, the attacker changes user_input to attempt to return the prompt. The intended goal is distinct from goal hijacking, normal prompt injection, where the attacker changes user_input to print malicious instructions. The following image, again from the remotely.io example, shows a Twitter user getting the model to leak its prompt. Well, so what? Why should anyone care about prompt leaking? Sometimes people want to keep their prompts secret. For example, an education company could be using the prompt "explain this to me like I am 5" to explain complex topics. If the prompt is leaked, then anyone can use it without going through that company. Microsoft Bing Chat. More notably, Microsoft released a ChatGPT-powered search engine known as the new Bing on February 7, 2023, which was demonstrated to be vulnerable to prompt leaking. The following example by @Cleo128 demonstrates how given an earlier version of Bing search, codenamed Sydney, was susceptible when giving a snippet of its prompt 3. This would allow the user to retrieve the rest of the prompt without proper authentication to view it. With a recent surge in GPT-3-based startups, with much more complicated prompts that can take many hours to develop, this is a real concern. Practice. Try to leak the following prompt 4 by appending text to it. Prompt. English, I want to go to the park today. French, je veux aller au parc aujourd'hui. English, I like to wear a hat when it rains. French, j'aime porter un chapeau quand il pleut. English, what are you doing at school? French, tu es que te fais à l'école? English. Output. Empty?